Welcome to our 10 days Czech Republic travel guide video. In this Czech Republic tour video, we will take you on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Czech Republic, a beautiful country located in Central Europe. From the enchanting streets of Prague to the scenic landscapes of the Bohemian countryside, we will explore historic castles, picturesque towns, and vibrant local culture. Whether you are a history buff or a nature enthusiast, this Czech Republic tour video has something for everyone. The best time to visit. The best time to visit Czech Republic is from May to September. During these months, the weather is warm, perfect for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Spring and summer bring vibrant festivals and beautiful blooming gardens, while early fall offers pleasant temperatures and fewer tourists. For budget and other links, please check the description box below. The tour plan. Here we will start our tour from the country capital, Prague. Day 1. On the first day of your tour, reach Prague in the morning. After settling down, go for a short city sightseeing tour. Start your tour at the famous Old Town Square, the heart of the city. Here you can see beautiful buildings and lively street performers. Next, visit the astronomical clock, a stunning medieval clock that puts on a show every hour with moving figures. In the afternoon, head towards the iconic Charles Bridge. This historic stone bridge, lined with statues, offers stunning views of the Vltava River and the Prague Castle. End your day with a relaxing stroll along the river bank, watching the sunset over one of Europe's most beautiful cities. Day 2. On the second day of your tour, go for a day-long city sightseeing tour in Prague. Start your morning with a visit to Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle in the world. Begin at the stunning St. Vitus Cathedral, famous for its grand Gothic architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. Next, explore the old royal palace, filled with fascinating history and stories of past kings. Then go to see Golden Lane, a charming street with tiny, colorful houses that once housed castle guards and craftsmen. After exploring the castle, walk down to the lesser town. This picturesque neighborhood is full of Baroque buildings and quaint shops. Then visit the John Lennon Wall, a vibrant wall covered in colorful graffiti and messages of peace and love. It's a great spot for photos and a unique part of Prague's history. Next, head to Kampa Island, a peaceful park area along the Vltava River. Enjoy the green spaces, art illustrations, and beautiful views of the river and city. In the afternoon, take a funicular ride up to Patrin Hill. Here you can visit the Patrin Observation Tower, often called Prague's mini Eiffel Tower. Climb to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city. End your day enjoying the serene gardens and beautiful scenery of Patrin Hill. Day 3. On the third day, go to Kutna Hora from Prague early in the morning. Catch a train from Prague's main station, which takes about an hour to reach Kutna Hora. Upon arrival, head straight to the Sedlec Ossuary, also known as the Bone Church. This small chapel is decorated with bones of over 40,000 people, creating a unique and somewhat eerie atmosphere. Spend some time exploring this site. Next, visit St. Barbara's Church, a short distance from the Bone Church. This beautiful Gothic cathedral is one of the most famous in Czech Republic, known for its stunning architecture and detailed interior. After visiting these two main attractions, have lunch at a local restaurant and catch the train back to Prague. Day 4. Begin your tour by taking a morning bus from Prague to Český Krumlov, a journey that takes about 3 hours. Upon arriving, head straight to the picturesque town center. Stroll through the charming streets filled with colorful medieval buildings and shops. After exploring the town center, move towards Český Krumlov Castle, which overlooks the town. The castle is one of the largest in the Czech Republic and offers stunning views of the area. Take a guided tour to learn about the castle's rich history and see its beautiful interiors, including the famous Baroque theatre. Spend the night in Český Krumlov. Day 5. On the 5th day, go for outdoor activities in Český Krumlov. First, head to the Vltava River for an exciting rafting or canoeing trip. The gentle waters and beautiful scenery make it a fun and relaxing activity for everyone. Spend a few hours paddling down the river, enjoying the fresh air and picturesque views of the town and surrounding nature. After your river adventure, visit the Egon Schiele Art Centrum. This museum is dedicated to the famous Austrian painter Egon Schiele and features many of his works as well as contemporary art exhibitions. Spend the night in Český Krumlov. Day 6. Start your day by taking an early morning train from Český Krumlov to Brno, which takes around 4 hours. Upon arriving in Brno, head straight to Spielberg Castle. This historic castle, located on a hill, offers stunning views of the city. After touring Spielberg Castle, make your way to the Cathedral of St. Peter and Paul. This impressive Gothic cathedral is one of Brno's most famous landmarks. Explore the interior, including the crypt and the towers, which provide panoramic views of the city. Spend the night in Brno. Day 7. On the 7th day, go for a day tour from Brno to the Moravian Karst region. Start your journey by taking a bus or train to the area, which takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Once there, explore the fascinating limestone landscape, dotted with caves and unique rock formations. Visit the renowned Pungva caves and underground rivers and stunning stalactites. After exploring the caves, enjoy a hike through the scenic countryside or relax at one of the local eateries before returning to Brno in the evening. Day 8. On the 8th day, go to Olomouc from Brno. Begin your day tour from Brno to Olomouc by taking a morning train, which takes around 1.5 hours. Upon arrival, head to the city center and start your exploration at the Holy Trinity Column, a UNESCO World Heritage Site adorned with intricate sculptures and reliefs. Next, visit St. Wenceslas Cathedral, a stunning Gothic church located nearby. Afterward, make your way to the Archdiocesan Museum, housed in Archbishop's Palace. Explore its extensive collection of religious art and artifacts, including paintings, sculptures, and historical artifacts, which offer insight into the region's rich cultural and religious heritage. Spend the night in Olomouc. Day 9. On the 9th day, head back to Prague from Olomouc for departure. If you love this tour plan, then please like and share the video. Also, do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your opinion means a lot to us. Thanks for watching it.